Hey there YouTube, welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So, there's actually a video that you can put on like the landing homepage for YouTube. And that's what this is going to wind up being. And it's more or less like a welcome video. So, here on Big Mike Beard Wisdom, we're going to be talking about all kinds of stuff. From zombie gnome stuff, to dog stuff, to landscaping stuff, to why is there a pallet just sitting there stuff, to trimming things up stuff, growing tomato stuff, solar and stuff, lawn stuff, bug zapper stuff, fixing a shed stuff, what's under the car cover stuff, anti-mosquito stuff, lawnmower stuff, snowblower stuff, when you're gonna clean up this toolbox stuff, fast car stuff, cheap luxury SUV stuff, slow car stuff, vehicle repair stuff, you did what to an old crappy truck stuff. I'm pretty sure it's not a weed stuff. It's probably a weed stuff. I have no idea stuff. More solar stuff. Still pretty sure it's not a weed stuff. Home maintenance stuff. Cool garage storage ideas. Not so cool garage storage ideas. Aren't you glad you put in a water filter stuff? What's broke now stuff? Way too early in the morning beard stuff. Beard care stuff. Stuff I like. Stuff that didn't work out. Fancy mustache stuff. Boys. Stuff. Go boys stuff. Downstairs. Oh. Stuff. Golden doodles can't climb trees stuff. How do you guys keep doing this kind of stuff? Inside, come on. Good boy, Bandit. Good boy, Shadow. Stuff.
YouTube stuff.
Cooking stuff. Hybrid car stuff.
Money stuff. Stock market stuff.
The channel's going to have a whole bunch of videos on a whole bunch of different things. Basically, as life kind of changes and moves around and shifts. And I'll try and put out content as soon as I can. And as often as I can, and on as many things as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe. I'll check you guys next time. Now what in the world happened here? Oh, it's fixed. Early in the morning beard stuff. Keeping things away from your dog stuff. Okay, outside boys. Oh. Watch out, Bandit. And then someone's gonna be mad when he finds out what you did stuff. Oh, inside boys. What, is something gone? What's under the car? Cheap luxury. It's okay. You're a good boy. Even if you are getting lighter. You are not a lapdog stuff.